Hello, Bison Band. Today we are expanding on our interval identification. And last time in levels 2, on level 1, we were talking about intervals that are a unison, which is the same note, a third, which is 2 notes away, a fifth, which is 4 notes away. We're adding to that an octave. An octave is where it goes to the next note of the same name. It's kind of like when we were building our scales and we had a starting lower note and we built to a note of the next same name, a higher version of that note. That would be an octave. And here we're going to be identifying that interval specifically. Intervals may go up and down. You have no time limit for this activity, and you can complete at least 100. Now I'm going to demonstrate on here in treble clef, but this will also apply to our bass clef students, and I'll explain here too. So you can both see how this works. Go ahead and start our activity. Now, thinking about just here for a moment that I'm on the same space on my music staff. In treble clef, this would be an A. In bass clef, this would be a C. I have 2 notes that are the same. I would use a unison for this. Now, here's that new interval that I was talking about. On bass clef, this would be a G to a G. On treble clef, this would be an E to an E. Now, another way you can do this, an octave is 7 notes away. So you can count 7 notes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get to my octave right there. This is another example of our octave. This would be a C to a C for bass clef, an A to an A for treble clef. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 notes away from my octave. Now I'm back to notes that are the same. That would be our unison. Notes that are the same, that would be our unison. Notes that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 away would be our octave. This is our 1, 2, 3, 4 notes away. We remember that 4 notes away is our fifth. 1, 2, line, space. We would remember that this is 2 notes away. 2 notes away would be our third. So if you're having any trouble with this, or if you have questions that I can answer, remember that you can drop by my office hours, or you can send me an email and I'm glad to help. Good luck with your intervals today.